Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Welcome to chapter 27. This birthday was incredibly special because I not only celebrated my own birthday but also a friend's birthday together. It was truly so special to celebrate a birthday together along with my friends and also come back home with such beautiful gestures of love. I'm going to show you each and everything that I received on my birthday, but also take you on my birthday solo date with me. I went for a little solo date to make a gingerbread house and also decorate it. It was so much fun. I truly enjoyed it and I purposely wanted to go by myself. I love trying new things and this was such a little mini adventure. I got all glam, all dressed up just for myself and I went for the gingerbread house decorating workshop. I walked away with such a cute house. Even though it fell apart so many times, I really enjoyed making it. And this is life. It will fall apart, but you just have to enjoy making your life really special. I said yes to so many things this year. And because of that, I ended up being in Miss Universe. I ended up getting a movie. I ended up getting featured in Image, which is like one of Ireland's biggest style and fashion magazines. I mean, so many beautiful things happened because I was proactively saying yes. And because I did that, I had all of these whole bunch of people today to celebrate me. Hello, everybody. Today is my 27th birthday, and it is a different type of video that I wanted to bring in. I already celebrated my birthday in the morning with my friends and in the evening with myself. It's a solo date to just build a little gingerbread house. It was so much fun. But now I want to celebrate my birthday with you. So we're going to be opening all of my presents together and I'm just going to have a chat with you. There's no structure. It's totally unfiltered and I just want to be here with you because I already did a celebration with my friends. I did one with myself and now it's time for you. So I hope you really enjoy this video and just feel the cozy vibes of the video. See you. Let me show you the gingerbread house first. I mean, it was so pretty when I was making it. It was just perfect. And when I came back home, it totally fell apart. And that broke my heart because it just took so long to make it. And then it just totally fell apart. So let me show you that gingerbread house first. And then you can decide how it looks like. Let's go ahead with this. I can't believe my gingerbread house is literally in pieces now. This is how it looks like. But did you realize how much effort it took for me to decorate this gingerbread house? I mean, it's totally in shambles now. It's totally in shambles, but it was a gingerbread house when I was leaving the hotel and now it's just pieces. I am so kind of not happy with this, but it is what it is and any which ways I'm gonna eat it, so it's fine. And then when I was leaving the workshop, the organizers were very kind to give me this present as well. So it's basically the workshop was organized by these people who do, it's called Bake Sweets, and they organize workshops for, you know, cakes and things. So it's like a little brownie with some coffee and also a little perfume and things. Let me show it to you. I love this perfume. It's kind of cute. It's a tester. I'm excited for this. I'm excited for the brownie, to be honest. So I'm going to put this away and show you the rest of the gifts. There's a lot to go. And also these flowers were gifted. I have another bouquet in the kitchen. And this is a rose from that bouquet. It's so beautiful. I love it. And we are going to go over the other gifts now. So now we are going to, I'm going to show you this one. This one is beautiful. It was from one of my co-workers who recently left the company. And it is beautiful. I actually opened this one already, but I'm going to show it to you because it's beautiful. It is a beautiful earring set. Look at this. So gorgeous. I hope you're able to see this, but it's beautiful. Look at that. So pretty. It's all like shiny and very Christmassy. but gorgeous. But to be very honest with you, to me, what matters is the intention that the person thought of me. They got me flowers. They got me something that reminds them of me. And that is what I truly value. So for me, it's not that, oh, I'm getting so many presents, wow, because I buy myself stuff all the time. So for me, it is the intention that counts more than the actual present. And also, one thing which I would like to say here is that a lot of people would sit around on their birthday and they would expect someone to do something for them. And my advice here is to really just make your birthday like an event and invite all of your friends and just do the thing. Take yourself somewhere instead of waiting around and, expecting that someone will show up for you and do all of this. Why don't you just do it yourself? And then you are going to have the best birthday ever. I mean, this was my best birthday ever, and I ended up celebrating it with someone who shares the birthday as me. She has the same birthday as me, and we ended up celebrating it together. It was absolutely beautiful, and I couldn't have wished for a more beautiful birthday. So you have to make it happen instead of sitting around and thinking someone else will do it. Now it's time for this little bag. It's so cute, actually. It's from Kiko, and one of my gym friends gave it to me. But before then, I have to show you something that my twin sister from Ukraine, so the girl that I share the birthday with, she got me this candle. It's kind of so funny. It's like a half man candle. It's really, really funny. We put it on a cake and everything. And then Daniela, my gym friend, she got me this Kiko lipstick pack. It's so pretty. It's so Christmassy. And the lipsticks are exactly the ones that I wanted. So I am super excited for this, actually. I am so excited, and they're so cute, all of the lipsticks. I mean, they're the neutral ones. So I really cannot wait to try all of these lipsticks, and they are in that cute little, the small pack, the trial pack. You call them swatches, I think they're just adorable. I just really cannot wait to sit and try all of these pieces. I mean, they're gorgeous. I really can't wait for this. So I'm like a little girl right now, opening all of my presents in front of you on YouTube. And I really cannot wait to open everything else, because there are some things I haven't even opened yet because I wanted to do it with you, So I waited for you. I hope you can comment down below if you enjoyed this video. Oh my goodness, guys, this is so beautiful. Oh my God, I love this lipstick. It is so stunning. It's like shiny and everything, guys. Oh my God. So pretty. I cannot wait to try these lipsticks. And to be honest, there's so many lipsticks. It's a lot of stuff, I don't even need so much stuff. But I'm super excited for this stuff. And oh my God, wow. This is like, it's called Snow Kissed Holiday, and it's a lip gloss. And look at the color. Oh my God, guys. This is so beautiful. This is probably the best lip gloss I've ever seen. Wow. Wow, guys. I'm stunned. I think my friends definitely know me. So I'm really, really grateful for that, because look at the stuff they've gotten me. My God, it's amazing. Now we have some chocolates here as well from Daniela as well. These chocolates, so cute. And then we have a little earring set that I got from one of my pageant friends. I mean, it's really, really beautifully packaged. Very gorgeous earrings. I mean, wow. Love them. They're beautiful, gorgeous earrings. Now we will go on to the next bag and try to get to those gifts. Let's go ahead and open that. So this is the next bag. These are also earrings that one of my friends, Ava, gave me. She's beautiful. She has a scarf company. It's beautiful. It's called Ava Atelier. Very beautiful. Look at the scarf. These are the scarves that she makes herself. Gorgeous. And then she gave me a little perfume as well. I love perfume. And then now Actually, the funny part is that one of my friends got me alcohol and I don't drink alcohol. So unfortunately, it's a very, very thought after wine, but I don't drink wine. So if any of you want it, just let me know and I can give it to you. The next one, this is so beautifully packaged. Guys, I don't even want to open it. It's so beautifully packaged. And it's from one of my friends called Alex. She is one of my very close friends. So we're going to open that together now. I feel like it's Christmas, but it's not, you know. Oh my God, it's so beautiful, guys. Look at that. It's beautiful. Oh my God. Wow. And I'm so happy that I didn't, I waited for you before I opened it myself because then I can really give you my reactions. This is the almond oil body butter. Then we have a little luxury shower cream. Then we have a candle as well. And then we also have another luxury shower cream, I think. So we have shower cream, we have shower, scrub, we have body butter and candle. Very beautiful, gorgeous. Absolutely love that. I'll keep that on the side and go on to the next one. We have a lot of stuff here to get through, so bear with me. Okay, so we have another little cozy kind of a self-care kit. Oh my goodness, I love the sleep mask, and this is something I actually wanted, so I'm really happy about that. Then we have body scrubs. So I have a whole bunch of body scrubs, guys. So I have it for the whole year. I'm really happy about this. One more thing that I wanted to show you, which is really thought after, are those written cards. I really value those. I really value those, written cards because I do this myself. And it says, "Happy birthday, beautiful. I wish you an amazing new cycle, stunning new beginnings. I'm glad I met you this year and that I get to be here celebrating your day. Enjoy your day and I hope you receive all the blessings you are wishing for. Happy birthday." This is so cute. Thank you, Daniela. This is special because my friend wanted to attend my birthday and then she ended up coming when the party was already over and we had left. So this one's Sin Gauzy. Thank you, girlie. I love them. They are beautiful, but then again, girls just want to have gin and I don't drink alcohol. This is so funny because I don't drink alcohol and then I have all of this in my apartment, But the gingerbread house is such a fail because I made it and then by the time I came back home and I wanted to show everyone my creations, it had already fallen apart. How unfortunate is that? Like, it's so unfortunate that it fell apart, but at least I have it and I can eat it and all the things. I hope you enjoyed this little short and sweet video all about all the things that I got for my birthday. Before I go away, this is me editing. Hello, everyone. Before I go away, I did want to show you some more things that I got. I do feel like a little Slavic princess in this coat, and this is one of the coats that I gifted myself. I got it from Shein, from the brand called Investa. And oh my goodness, guys, I got this in the Black Friday sale. Look at this coat. It's so beautiful. It's like a tie belt coat. It's long as well. It's really, really beautiful and it's so cozy. It just makes you feel amazing. So definitely this was one of my really good purchases. Other than that, I also got myself this gorgeous workout set. Also from Shein, it's this Glow Mode brand. The thing is that Shein clothes fit me really well. That's why, because I'm so petite, this was also really, really nice for me to have a little birthday gift. So this sports set and this sports hairband also. So I spoiled myself a little bit. And now for a gift that I really admire. And this is from one of my friends. He got me these beautiful Zara boots. I absolutely adore them. I wore them also for the photo shoot that I had for my birthday photo shoot. But oh my God, guys, you have to see it. You have to see this. It's so beautiful. Oh my God, it's the moment. Look at them. They are so pretty. They are knee-high boots. They are absolutely gorgeous. They are so beautiful. They have a little heel, the stiletto heel, but they are still available. You can still buy them and they are absolutely stunning. They are absolutely stunning. I highly recommend these boots. Look at them. My babies, they're so cute. They're so cute. They are amazing. I think These are like my second most favorite boots that I own at the moment. They are gorgeous. You will see some more coming in for Christmas, so stay tuned for those. But oh my goodness, I love these boots. I love these boots. Gorgeous. I want to leave you with one thing before I go. I will be recording another full video about 27 lessons that I learned at 27, so please stay tuned for that. But before then, I really wanted to tell you that if you are truly wanting 2026 to be your year, I want you to commit to one action that you would do. Maybe that is saying yes to things. I said yes to so many things this year, and because of that, I ended up being in Miss Universe. I ended up getting a movie. I ended up getting featured in Image, which is like one of Ireland's biggest style and fashion magazines. I mean, so many beautiful things happened because I was proactively saying yes. And because I did that, I had all of these whole bunch of people today to celebrate me. And I really, really want to leave you with this, that please say yes to things. Even when you're not ready, just say yes and do the thing because it's going to change your life. And this is one of the biggest messages from this video. I wanted to have a very personable chat with you today. Nothing scripted, nothing perfect, but really just raw and unfiltered, me showing up for you today and telling you that it's important for you to celebrate yourself, show up for yourself, love yourself, and say yes before you're ready. And stay tuned for my longer video, which is going to be all about 27 lessons I learned at 27. I hope that you truly enjoyed this little video, which is so personable for you and for myself next year, so that I can come back and see all the growth that I made that year. Thank you. I love you. And thank you for sticking around. See you in my next video. Bye.
You said I've dyed your hair since I was a kid.
Happy birthday!